the last few bits on his restoration list. Not much really. That seat's going to be interesting, but I've got a few ideas. And tyres, well, oh, you've heard of Burt Munro. Right, for the steerer tube, this is polished alloy, so what we're going to use for that is some double aught steel wool and some chrome cleaner. Let's get on with it. What it looked like, what it looks like now. They're heavy. When it comes to old tyres, there really is only one way. If you've never seen it, go and look for the movie The Fastest Indian, Burt Munro. You won't be disappointed. I think I'm just going to employ the same technique on this seat, to be honest. Let's go first though. New goods.
One eternity later.
Well, finally, everything is cleaned, prepped, replaced, or new. I think we're ready to put this back together. like that old school gearing tree. I was going to put the old school uni seat post, the fiberglass seat post on, but
Yeah.
I don't like the yellow on it, so that's the only reason. I just put that old foam seat back on it, the uni seat post. Quite a classic there, that takes me right back. And I've had that since right back as well. A beast. Cutting edge BMX technology this back in here, you know. So at this point in the video, I was hoping to cut away to the vert ramp and throw a few shapes out and so on and so forth, but due to this pandemic, it's not looking good for that, I'm afraid. So we're gonna have to skip that bit. What I do have though is another little project. Who remembers these? Yeah, it's rough. Mongoose BMX scooter. I've got a big scar down my nose from one of these from when I was a kid. Riding down edge of a wall. Yeah, I think that's going to be his next project. I do need some wheels though.